let's go in here and see what kind of goodies we can get to do a Thanksgiving chopped.
Sissy's picking your stuff, Jonah's picking my stuff, so Jonah's going with you and she's going with me. But we can't help them now.
Okay.
The only rules are we need some type of dough and some type of turkey since it's a Thanksgiving one. Yeah. All right, y'all go that way. We'll go this way. Come on, Manny. You're going with Mama. Look, they've got all the canned pumpkin things here, Manny Mac. We found the Christmas tree cakes.
I guess we're gonna go to the meat section first.
Meat section?
Yeah,
okay.
To go turkey.
All right, let's go.
I was looking for some really good Calvin Happy on sandwich. It's like turkey but with pepper around the edge.
Okay, there you go.
Sissy's in the cheese section.
Up through there on the right. Do you feel like you're home alone?
Kinda.
Sissy's heading for the turkey section. She wants to go to the sauce section, like what, like ketchups and stuff like that? Okay. This is gonna be, I don't know.
Where's mayonnaise?
Oh, mayonnaise?
This is also something similar to it right here. This is like a dough sheet. You like this one?
Yeah.
Well, I'll be influencing you though. You sure you want that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's your decision. It's on camera. I didn't tell you. You know, pepperonis. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something like that. That's what if they get the right stuff, I'm going to use that for what I cook. We just have to see though.
Kraft mayo is on sale for $3.98, y'all. That's a good deal. It is really hard not to help pick out items. Like, I'm seeing so many things I would be picking for him. It would be funny. She's got some pretty funny picks in there too, though. I don't know. What? Okay, Manny, which kind? There's the Blue Bunny soft serve or Blue Bunny homemade vanilla. Which one?
Blue Bunny homemade vanilla.
The homemade vanilla one right there? Soft serve?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all, we are done. We're back in the van. Slight problem, we got finished before them and we have ice cream and I don't have the keys.
All right, we're here at the cheese department. You're gonna get a weird cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's a pepper cheese right there, is it? That one right there? Yeah, is it? All natural cheese? Yeah, it's got peppers in it. Okay. What you got? Two more items?
Yeah. That might go a little bit weird with the turkey.
I agree. That's gonna be a weird deal.
Yeah. Maybe something in the canned section.
Something in the canned department?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going with some canned tomatoes. This is gonna get interesting, folks. Oh, a free cheese sample.
Blue cheese.
That's the cheese of the month, Sage Derby. Hey, that'll work right there. That's a good idea. So you got everything you need?
Yep.
All right. She might, just between me and you, she might make a pizza.
We're ready.
Here you go.
You do yours first.
Okay, in my bag. Okie dokie. I got biscuits. My muffin tin ain't gonna work, everybody. I can already
That's your turkey. Turkey pepperoni.
turkey pepperoni.
Yeah.
It's gonna be an unusual Thanksgiving right here. I got some mozzarella cheese. Some of these, you're making it hard on Daddy, baby. And I've got some queso. Okie dokie. My ideas are gone.
We have crescent dough sheets, turkey, blackened turkey, some salami, 3 different kinds of salami, whole tomatoes.
Woo, mama!
What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, and some Havarti cheese. Okay.
All I can say is this thing's gonna get cheesy. Cause I'm gonna have some cheese on mine. I got an idea though. I'm ready and I am gonna use this right here. I'm gonna
How are
use
you
it.
gonna use macaroni?
I have no idea.
Leave it to me. We're
Okay.
starting. We're gonna have.
Are we ready?
Are we gonna have 45 minutes?
45 minutes. Here we go.
Mama, I need to know where something is before y'all started.
I'm preheating the
I need to know where that
350.
rolling pin
It's
is.
in here.
Is it started already?
Yes, time's on. Time is on. Okay. Is
Let's
this
go.
cheese meltable? Like, will this melt good? It says cream.
Here's the thing. Let's switch places.
I already know what I'm doing, baby. I'm telling you right now. What if I get done before 45 minutes?
That's okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Well, these things smell delicious right here. I mean, I hadn't smelled one of those in a long time. Save these two right here, baby, and we will wrap them up and use them maybe in the morning. Can you do that for Daddy? Okay, where's that little rolling pin, Mama?
okay,
Can I
I
pull
got
one of these packs?
Do I have any flour? I need to put some
it. Yes,
flour.
you can use flour, sugar. We can use our basics here in the kitchen. We have to use these other.
I gotta use this cheese.
And you can't really add any.
Main ingredients.
Yeah, you can't add anything, any main
Let
thing.
me take a bite of
Okay,
pineapple.
I think this is. Yeah, I think that's okay. I need a pot.
Yourself.
Y'all, I'm patting this board down right now with this.
Do I have to use both of these crescent dough sheets?
No, one just for extra.
Okay. This was Paula's idea, by the way, y'all.
Yeah, Paula had this idea. Great idea, Paula. Notice that rolling pin action, everybody.
Yeah. I'm putting my whole tomatoes in this pot. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna melt down some of this cheese in here with this. I'm gonna cut this block in half. I'm mashing up these tomatoes in here. We're making like a cheesy tomato sauce. Oh, I better be quiet. I don't want them hearing my plans over there. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in here. And we'll need a little dash of sugar with these canned tomatoes. Just a dash.
Okay, the idea that I got. Oh, you know what I need to be doing? I gotta get this going. Oh, Lord have mercy, I thought. Y'all, I am not a cook. I gotta get some water going right here. Water going in the pot. How much water do I need, Sissy? Got enough?
Yeah.
Alright, now I gotta put mine on. Can I use this, Mama? Sure. Thanks. I think these are gonna be big enough right here, everybody. Right here. I'm going in right here, just like this. Get me another one right here. Roll it out. I got this little idea, Sissy, that may not work, baby. Roll it out.
Now I'm gonna shred the rest of this cheese.
You have to hurry.
I'm just gonna let that come to a simmer. The cheese keep melting. We're gonna come over here, shred the rest of this.
Like, I'm gonna stuff these is what I'm gonna do with something.
Okay.
All this. And we know it's gonna be a cheesy explosion, don't we, Sissy? Bacon makes everything better, Sissy. I'm bringing bacon in.
That is like a main ingredient, Daddy. I don't know if that's allowed.
Bacon? You said we could use anything in the kitchen?
Basics like eggs,
Salt.
milk.
We were told we could use anything in the kitchen, is what we said. And I'm bringing in bacon because bacon will make anything better.
I'm gonna open up a crescent dough sheet. Now I could go two ways with this. I could do like a big thing. We're putting down some turkey. Don't you be peeking at what I'm doing over
How
here.
long is it gonna take you to get done, baby? If you
Just
don't mind helping me.
7 minutes. What type of salami should we use? Now they said I don't have to use this whole pack because that's a lot of salami.
Let's see here.
Our shredded cheese. We're gonna roll it up. I'm gonna seal up my ends here. This is going in the oven.
Hang up at 30 minutes. I gotta get in gear.
While my thing is cooking in the oven, I'm gonna taste my sauce here and see if I need to add anything else to it. Oh, I done made something.
Bacon, come on, let's cook.
Would you like just a little sample taste test of my sauce?
You just won. Yeah, the buying bacon will help you win. All right, let's go ahead and drain them right there. Let's slide this to this side. Switch them up. That way this can start cooking good. Oh my goodness. We gotta hurry. I've never had this much of a hard time cooking bacon before under stress. Okay, y'all, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and be putting in my turkey. And I think what I'm gonna do is just put one like this in the bottom, just like that. This is the only thing I knew to do with this right here, and I don't even know what I'm doing. Put in a little bit of this stuff. Okay, Mama's helping me over here. Baby, here, let me get back over here. Oh my goodness. We're gonna put us another pepperoni in here, everybody. Put that in. Just like this. We got a lot of smoke in the kitchen, and it's mostly my fault. With this bacon, ain't it, Sissy?
Those pepperonis are good. We've been dipping it in some of their white cheese dip over there.
Sprinkle in the bacon now. As we know, this is gonna be a cheesy situation. We're just gonna fold these together like this and just wrap them like a present. Look at there. This kind of looks like Santa Claus's sack. If y'all kind of look at this and just imagine, it's full of goodness. Look at that, Mama.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Drop a little bit of salt on this. Just a little. And a little bit of pepper.
Daddy, did you use your mozzarella cheese now?
Oh my goodness.
Sprinkle on top.
No strain. Can I put it on after?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it shouldn't take these right here but about what, 12 minutes?
Maybe, yeah.
I got enough time.
I just have a couple of minutes left.
Folks, all we gotta do is wait for that to come out and I'll put the mozzarella on the top. That did good, Angel.
Y'all, he is making
Look at
fun of
that.
the whole thing.
That looks like a foot-long sub.
Mine's done.
I barely did it.
Yeah, but you got your plate done.
Yeah, I got my plate.
You got
I
your
wanted
plate done.
everybody. I wanted it all to be done.
Yeah, well, you got it, right?
I got it.
You got it, all right. They're voting on presentation first before they taste test.
This one looks incredible. This one looks like someone just lied it on a pile of leaves. Yeah, this one looks better.
Oh my goodness, I'm so surprised that I'm winning presentation.
I mean, here I am sitting here with like a confused muffin.
Taste test time.
Wait, let me clear my palate.
Here's mine.
And y'all gotta tell us what you like or don't like about it. Mine is an Italian turkey pinwheel with a creamy Havarti cheese.
Mine's a Thanksgiving in Santa sack
I feel like Daddy.
with extra cheese. Sissy. Just be real honest now.
I'm gonna try Mama's first.
John is trying Mama's first.
I give yours a 9 and Daddy's a 5.
Really? Oh, I thought y'all weren't liking it.
Yours is great, Mama. I think yours tastes amazing. I'm just telling you, that's great. I'm just telling you, I think that's great. What do you think about mine?
Very peppery.
Peppery? I knew I shouldn't have put the pepper.
So I'll give Mama's a 10 out of 10 and Daddy's a 9.5.
Okay.
What do you
Quite
get mine,
delicious.
Sissy?
A 5.
Thank you, baby. Me and you gonna taste this Thanksgiving in a confused muffin. That yogurt's hot, Jack. Judge on that. I'm having mixed emotions about mine. I want to take that to a dinner. It's good and not good.
Something tastes a little off in yours. What happened?
Something's off in mine. Just the next day, everybody.
Welcome to the future.
I could have won this deal.
Right.
Fallon just knows.
He would have won.
I've been shoeing horses. I swung back by to see the results. I'm just kidding.
What happened was when I tasted of his, it tasted a little burnt, and I was like, it can't be the bacon because he thought he burnt the bacon, but the bacon didn't have a burnt taste. We couldn't figure out what was going on with it. There's Manny. So what happened was, after he drained the shells and added the cheese, he put it back on that back eye and it was on medium the whole time. So the bottom of that macaroni and cheese got burnt at the bottom of the pot a little bit, and it made all that macaroni and cheese have a burnt taste. I'll go ahead and claim defeat in this battle because had he not burnt his shells, he totally would have won that. I might have won presentation, but he would have won taste, and that's what counts the most. So, but there will be a next time and I will win. Maybe, probably not, but we'll see. We've decided to trade places. Jonah and Sissy are gonna make the dessert.
And we're gonna sit down and judge this one because, folks, I've really tried. And I got hammered down. So now it's my turn to use my palate in a critical way.
Manly picked Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes and soft serve vanilla.
Sissy, you're doing a good thing, baby. I already know what you're doing, and it's great. 15 minutes.
Wow. I know, I'm just trying to get this out. I'm gonna shape it with a spoon.
Look
Yes,
at
the
that.
straw
That was
is
really
through.
smart right there,
The
Sissy.
Christmas tree cake. Oh, that's beautiful.
I need a cutboard.
Milkshake cake explosion? All right.
Now, what are you gonna do, Jonah, when you get it all mixed together?
Don't know.
Oh, okay.
Some good thought in that. That's good. Sissy, I gotta say, you and Jonah both did an outstanding job right here, baby doll.
Very good. Very good.
Look at there, y'all.
Snowman suit. Christmas tree cake, snowman suit.
Snowman soup.
He's melting.
That's good.
With the cake in it.
Fantastic. I'm gonna give that a 10. Good consistency.
Oh, it's a milkshake.
It is. That yogurt's good, baby. That is fantastic too, Sissy. I'm gonna give them both a 10. Y'all, I hate to tell y'all tired on this. We're walking off the snowman and the milkshake, and we've noticed some new hearts on the trail.